I wanted to make a short video about um, uh, uh, videos in statistics problem, how to use it. The thing is, I have recorded very similar problems of every single homework and every single problems in your homework. The only thing is, this MyMathLab sometimes mix up, shuffle around the problems. At this point, if your first problem doesn't match to my first problem on the video, based on similarity, just scroll around, you will find the one. It's easier would be go by your homework problems and find the one you have on the video first, rather than rewind and forward the video to match up to the problem you have. Okay, that would be much easier. Other than that, you will find very similar problems on the video I solved to make it easy on you. Okay. The next thing I wanted to mention that in the comment I'm going to place the calculator um, on you can find on internet, and you can use that calculator to do math part. If it's complicated calculation, it's gonna be like a standard deviation, binomial probability, binomial distribution, and so on. So if there is calculator for you to use, you will find it in the comment. I will pin that comment from me, and with a link to the calculator. What else? If you can't understand or having trouble to figure out this or that problem, or you have questions regarding problems I solved on the video, please absolutely feel free to send me that question in the comments. I will gladly go ahead and answer. Okay, that's not a big deal at all. Anything else? Yes, in week one, homework from chapter 2.5, um, I did not record any video for 2.5 because in the lecture of 2.5, you will find in the statistics lecture, section 2.5, there is a at the problem solved, and it's answering all your questions you will face in the homework for chapter 2.5. That's the only homework. Um, okay, everything else I put in the course requirement, but still, let me say, group activity, it's also only 5%, but I highly recommend to go over and solve it. Besides that, you will get points for that. On the top of that, you will prepare for yourself for the test, because test is built based on group activity, and group activity problems are built based on homework. So you see how everything is tied up. I did that so you would work on every problems you have, and in homework and in group activity and in the test. Group activity, when we had classes on the campus, that was a project where students would work by groups, but online I changed it and put all questions just like quiz. Consider, I think I even changed it in MyMathLab. It's I think it's marked down as a quiz, not group activity, but whatever it is, group activity or quiz on in that assignment, I highly recommend you go over and solve it, get the points, and it is unlimited. So unlimited access. You can go over. The only elevation I did at homework. When you do homework, you can use a view example how to solve it. But when you do group activity, view example will be blocked. That's the only difference. Other than that, you can take as many times as you want, and that will be practice, improvement of your points, and and after that you can take your test. And lastly, your test, you will have 2 attempts on every single test. Okay, um, so that's pretty much it. By any chance, if by any chance the student will not be able to um, fit in time, please let me know upfront and not last minute when you see you're already running out, you didn't do it, now you want to come up with a reason and extend it. No, and please don't take advantage of that. I will figure out real quick because it will show the student didn't touch it for a long time, didn't do anything, and now trying to catch up last minute. Okay, that, and I'm not saying anymore, I'm not mentioning anymore that you can contact me, text me the problems. You can find my phone number in syllabus, in announcement and follow announcement, because I will send some information through announcement so it will get to your cell phone. As I mentioned in course requirement, please download standalone application of Canvas from your phone, be it Android or be it Apple. It's free, you can download it and release a notification in your settings so you can receive straight to your uh, display. And anything else? Yeah, something really important, and I will do the way you would like. So I'm giving you choice. You either can work on group activity on your own, or we can do live session on YouTube, and I will solve, we together can solve problems from group activity. Okay, so look at that, figure it out, and when times get close to group activity time, I will, or you can put, if you already have preference, please put under group activity one, put in the comment your preference, that I would prefer live session for group activity, or I would rather work on my own. So if you put it in the comments, I will see, and will do accordingly, because you are the ones who are learning. So, and whatever will help you better to learn, I am all for it, and I will do that way. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Oh, a very important thing, while I will answer all your emails that come through Canvas, but it won't be instant. I won't be able to answer right away because I don't get notified about your emails, so I can see only when I log in there. But if you want to get reply right away, and I'm really quick, you can text me just right now, because I have more than one classes of statistics. Just tell me, I am the student from this section of statistics, and text me your question, and I will reply right away. All right. Okie dokie. So you can contact me through comments in the under the video, because I will be notified about comment right away. You can text me. You have my cell phone. You can call me. My least preference is email from the Canvas, because I don't get notified. So if the question is not that important, can wait, then you can send it. But if you want to know right away, and from what I know, students, they usually want to know right away because they are in the middle of work, and it's important for them to know. So either way, make your choice, decision, preference, and act on it, and I will do my very best. All right? Okay. I will expect to read your choice about live session on group activity 1 to prepare for test, which means all I will do, I will go solve the problems in group activity 1 and cover the solution. Okay, just put in the comment, I will read it, and we act accordingly. Okie dokie, good luck. Don't get freaked out. Yeah, although statistics considered as a nightmare among students, but trust me, it's not going to be difficult because you will have all materials, you will have your calculator handy. In the comments, I will pin it, and you will have every single similar problem to your homework problem. So trust me, I will be right there next to you and follow you, see how you are doing. Okay, good luck to all of us. Okie dokie.